I was born in a middle class family and I always looked at rich people and thought they had it easy, born into money, never had to struggle like us. If you felt like me too, then this video is for you because the truth is, generational wealth isn't about just having a big bank balance, it's about creating a system that keeps money flowing for generations. So, how do you take the first step towards building wealth? Let's break it down. What is generational wealth? First and foremost, wealth is not a number, it's a system. Many people believe that generational wealth actually involves having crores of rupees in a bank account and passing on a fortune to their children. But this is not entirely true. Generational wealth refers to ability to create and sustain wealth over multiple generations. It's not enough to simply have money. One must also understand how to manage, invest, and grow it. That is why some families remain wealthy for generations while others lose their fortunes within few decades. You know what the hard truth is? That if you don't learn how to build wealth, even if you inherit money, you will most likely lose it all. However, if you understand the system of wealth creation, you can start something from scratch and build something amazing. So let's talk about how to take your first steps. Step 1. Spend less than you earn. This may sound simple, but it's the most important step. If you spend everything you earn or even more, you will always be playing the catching up game. No investment strategy can actually help you if you don't have anything left to invest. So how do I get started? Track your expenses for a month and see where your money is going. Reduce unnecessary spending, subscriptions, impulse purchases, eating out too frequently. Avoid all of it. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rents, groceries and bills, 30% for wants, lifestyle and entertainment, and 20% for savings and investments. Treat saving as a non-negotiable expense. Just as you must pay rent, make sure you pay yourself first by saving each month. One thing that you have to remember is that the 50-30-20 rule is supposed to be followed in a sequence which is 20-50-30. Always spend your wants after doing savings and investments and fulfilling your needs. Step 2. Master delayed gratification. This is how you build a wealth mindset. If you've ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer, the answer is that they don't waste money on things that had no value. Here is a simple example. Assume you received a pay rise. What's your first instinct? Consider upgrading your lifestyle with a new car, a better apartment, or fancier gadgets? The wealthy, on the other hand, think differently, upgrading their asset rather than their expenses. Instead of spending their increased income, they invest it. This is known as delayed gratification or foregoing short-term pleasures in exchange for long-term benefits. How can you use this? Before you buy something, consider whether you truly need it or if you are simply upgrading your lifestyle. Instead, redirect that money to a growing investment. Don't just work for money, make it work for you. Step 3. Build a 6-month emergency fund. Very, very important. A single emergency can wipe out years of savings. That is why having a financial cushion can be so beneficial. A 6-month emergency fund means having enough savings to cover 6 months worth of living expenses in the event of a job loss, medical emergency, or other unexpected expenses. Where should you keep your emergency fund? A high interest savings account, liquid mutual funds, fixed deposits if you value safety over returns. This fund keeps you from having a dip in your investments when life throws you a curveball. Step 4. Get health and term life insurance. Look, I know insurance isn't the most exciting topic, but trust me, one unexpected hospital bill can wipe out years of savings. And let's be real, medical costs aren't getting any cheaper. That's why having insurance is non-negotiable. It's not about if something happens, it's about being prepared when it does. So here's what you need. Health insurance. It covers hospitalization, accidents, and major illnesses. Without this, you would have to dip into your savings or sell investments to cover medical expenses. This is the money that should be growing, not disappearing overnight. Term life insurance. If you have people who rely on your income, spouses, children, parents, this is a must. It ensures that they don't face financial difficulties if something happens to you. And the best part, term plans are inexpensive if you start early. Most important, it prevents your family from liquidating assets or incurring debts to survive. Life insurance for cash perpetuation. This is where insurance can help you build wealth. A life insurance payout is tax-free, so your family receives the entire amount. This is one of the most efficient ways to pass down wealth while avoiding taxes. Think of insurance as a financial safety net. It does more than just protecting your wealth. It ensures that your investments continue to grow, that your family's financial future is secure, and that you don't have to start over after a crisis. Ideally, every earning member of your family should be insured. It's a small investment for significant long-term benefits. Step 5. Invest in index funds via SIPs. Saving alone won't make you rich. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation. If your money isn't growing, you're actually losing purchasing power over time. That's why investing is key. But again, with so many options out there, where do you start? If you want consistent long-term growth without having to spend hours tracking the stock market, index funds are your best bet. These funds simply track the market, no complicated stock selections, no unnecessary stress. Here's an effective strategy to get started. Nifty 50 plus Nifty Next 50 covers in India's top 100 companies, providing a mix of stability, that is Nifty 50, and growth potential, which is the Next 50. Replace Next 50 with Midcap 50 or Midcap 150 if you can take more risk for higher returns. This broadens exposure to rapidly growing mid-sized companies. Again, not a stock recommendation. Do your own diligence before investing. So why use index funds? Low cost, no fees charged by fund managers. Proven long-term growth, index funds follow market growth trends. No need for consistent monitoring, simply set it and forget. How to invest? Simple. Set up a systematic investment plan and invest consistently. Even if the market dips, continue investing. Market fluctuations gradually subside and your wealth will grow. The secret is patience and discipline. You do not need to predict the market. Just stay invested and let the compounding do the magic and heavy lifting for you. Step 6. Building income producing assets. If you only earn money when you work, you are trapped in a cycle. What is the real path to wealth? Creating assets that generate income even as you sleep. Wealthy people just don't work harder, they make their money work harder for them. So, where should you start? Here are some of the proven revenue generating assets. 1. Digital products. If you have knowledge or skill, convert them into digital assets that sell automatically. Online courses, share your expertise in fields such as finance, fitness, coding, and marketing. Platforms such as Udemy and Teachable make this simple. Ebooks. Write once, sell forever. Self-published via Amazon Kindle or your own website. Templates and tools. Consider resumes, financial planners, design templates. People are willing to pay for convenience. On top of all this, the best thing about digital products is no inventory, no shipping, and once created, they can generate income forever. 2. Rental income. Owning rental property is one of the oldest ways to generate passive income. A well-chosen property can provide consistent cash flows from rent payments, long-term appreciation that increases your net worth, and leverage. Finance your property with a loan and let your tenants pay it off. If you're not yet ready to purchase a property, REITs, that is real estate investment trust, also allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning them with small ticket size. 3. Stock dividends. If you invest in dividend paying stocks, you get paid just for holding them. Many companies consistently pay dividends. Dividend ETFs are also another great option for automated income. Reinvest dividends to accelerate wealth building through compounding. And 4. Start side hustles and build your own money-making machine. Not all businesses require huge investment. Some of the most profitable side hustles today are online based and can be started with little to no money. Blogging, write your own topics you are passionate about and run ads and earn through affiliate marketing. YouTube channel, share valuable content and earn from ad sponsorships and digital products. Freelancing, online services, sell skills like copywriting, graphic design, coding or consulting. The sooner you start, the sooner you can stop trading time for money. Step 7. Focus on cash flow, not just savings. Many people believe that saving money alone will make them wealthy. Completely wrong. Inflation constantly lowers the value of your money. If you save 10 lakhs today but don't invest it, it will be worth much less in 10 years than that it is now. Saving is important, but it is insufficient. You must also generate cash flow. So what is cash flow? Understand cash flow as money that comes in on a regular basis without requiring you to actively work for it. Instead of simply leaving money idle in a savings account, put it into dividend paying stocks that provide passive income from companies that share profits. You could also invest in rental properties, earn monthly rent as your property value increases. Also, you could invest in bonds and fixed income investments which offer steady payouts with minimal risk. The goal is to create multiple sources of income so that you don't need to rely solely on your salary. Remember, savings helps in emergency, but cash flow provides financial freedom. So guys, building generational wealth isn't about luck. It's about learning the right money habits, taking smart steps and staying consistent. Let's recap the steps for wealth creation once again. Spend less than you earn. Master delayed gratification. Build an emergency fund. Get insured. Invest in index funds. Avoid debt. Create income generating assets. Focus on cash flow, not just savings. Your financial future starts today. What is the first step you are going to take? Tell us in the comments. That's it from me. I'm Nikhil Verghese. Share this video and subscribe to learn how to make your finances less tricky with Finniki.